everyone, welcome back to Legacy Ford here in Rimbey. I'm Maria and I'm here today showcasing this brand new 2019 F-150. This does come with the 3.5 EcoBoost engine. If you want to come around here, so this does have the 4x4 Super Crew as well. It does have the machined aluminum wheels because it has a sport package, so you get a little extra shine to it. Come on to this side, we do have the side mirrors, so they do have a spotlight in case you're in the dark and you're unloading stuff and you just need some of that extra light. Those come in really handy. I've got them on mine. Come around to the door. We do have a keyless entry keypad, so if you've got your hands full or if your keys can't get to them, you can always use the keypad to enter. Coming around to the inside, these do come equipped with a power driver and passenger seat, as well as the sport cloth bucket seats. We do have your 8-inch touchscreen, and along with everything else in this vehicle, you do have your drive modes, which is that little button on that shifter. So you've got your snow and ice, your tow haul, your eco mode, your normal, and that's about it for that one. Around the back side here, so these trucks, both seats in the back do fold up, so you've got a completely flat cargo space in the back if you do need to have a few things inside the vehicle rather than in the box. You do have your 110 converter as well in the back in case you've got kids who need to plug something in. And we'll come around. So this box size on this particular truck is a 6.5 foot box. They do also come in 5.5, but in this case it is the bigger one. Come around to the back side here. So you do have your backup cameras as well as all your sensors, but along with that, this guy also comes with the tailgate step. You just easy peasy pull that out, and that can support up to 300 pounds. So again, if you got a load of hands and you just need that little extra help, you can always get that. This box also comes with box lights. So again, if you've got your tonneau cover on here, or again you're in the dark, you can have access to lights very simply. There we go. Other than that, come on down and see this absolutely wonderful truck. You can talk to me, Maria, or Chris, or Britt. Our phone number here is 403-843-2622. Let your legacy start here.